Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone XS. So first of all we need the power button and the volume up button, and these both buttons you press for the same time, just for short, and you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume up button for short at the same time, and you will have a screenshot. After you can edit the screenshot if you tap on the screenshot, and you can choose maybe a pen and so on and paint something here, change the color and so on, paint something here, or you can also crop it as well and so on. Go on done and save to the photos. Okay, if you don't edit it, it goes automatically directly to the photos, and here you can find it as well. You will see here some of the screenshots I have took already. And yeah, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.